Okay. Okay. I think we start from the euro first. Okay. The euro, we are actually have a bearish view. Over a very long time ago, it's usually we start to short the euro from this bad pattern. Okay. It almost touched the 1.1369. Okay. So we have a potential bad pattern here. Okay, the missed for few pips, okay, but then if you don't have this entry, it's okay because we still have a 2618 trade here. We can see a double top here, and the market just retraced very nicely to the 618, which is here, 1.1320. Okay, so we have short euro previously here, short another time, okay, and finally here, just after non-farm period, we are still in the money, okay. So we mentioned a lot of times, as long as the euro cannot close above 1.128, we are bearish on the euro because it is having a continuous lower high, okay. So this lower high will tell us that the market will keeps moving lower, okay, because it's lower highs and equal lows, you can say. It's like squeezing, okay, but generally speaking, due to this ABCD pattern finish, and right now I think the euro will still have some. Oh yeah, it just hits 618. Okay, so that's why the price touched this 1.1110 at time and pulls back again. And this morning we just have if you want to short, you can actually to short here. Okay, that would be a very nice place to short. And for this week, if we see the price break this 1.1110, it will actually confirms our bearish trend. So the breaks a lower low and pull back to here, and we want to short again. So the euro was still bearish on the euro. Okay, so far so good. Nobody, any questions on the euro side? Are we clear? So we want to maintain this euro short position, and we want to keep moving lower. Okay, maybe hit to this 1.0999, 1.10, this level, which you can take some profit because we have some structure here. Okay, so this one will be the support level for the euro. Okay, let's talk about the sterling. Okay, sterling have a just crazy day last Monday, but we can see that it already breaks a low here. So that's why I keep telling guys that for the sterling dollar, we don't have any reason to long because it just breaks a lower low. Okay, although it have some pin bar here, but because this is a lower low, which means the bearish trend still continues. So it's better that we don't want to long the sterling dollar. Okay, so right now after the market crash, which is due to the very low liquidity, although it pulls back, and non-farm payroll, it actually last Friday is have a pin bar. So right now the sterling is having kind of a consolidation here. Okay, so I won't suggest to buy the sterling right now. Okay, so just keep watching it because this pair will be still have some trouble as long as the euro exits. The BRIC exit still not solved yet, so the fundamental for the GBP will still remain bearish, right? Okay, let's talk about the dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen we have previously, last 2 weeks, we have a Gardy pattern just completed here, and we bought the dollar yen at 120 this level, and this trade went very, very well. Okay, it gives us almost 400 pips winning. And right now, it pulls back to here, which is 88.6% retracement. It looks like there's some bearish candle, okay, because the non-farm payroll is not very good, so the dollar yen starts to fall. Okay, so maybe we will have another kind of buying opportunity that for this kind of triangle pullback and retest. So the best situation is we want to focus on the buy. Okay, buy the dip. Okay, buy into the support. So which is 101.64. So just watch this level. Okay, if there's any pullback to here, we want to buy. Okay, of course, if you are very aggressively, you want to do a top trade to catch the CD lap. is also okay because we can see that there is a potential 2618 trade. Okay, double top, hit the breaks the neckline, and pulls back. Okay, so the ideal entry will be 103.64. Okay, so we may short here and stop below stop above 104.25. Okay, and this your first target will be the previous low. Second target will be the neckline, which will be ideally our entry, our 618 entry at 101.65. Okay, so you may earn 200 pips from this trade. And your risk is about 60 pips. Okay, so 60 pips in the return of 200 pips is still okay. Okay, and you can take profit of your short position at here and buy it again. All right, so this is for the dollar yen. Okay, let's move on to the Aussie. Okay, Aussie dollar have essentially in the non-farm payroll, it moves up and breaks all the way down and moves up again. Okay, so right now I'm still thinking into the 4-hour charts. We still have a lot of potential selling opportunities here because this is a major neckline. Okay, this is a major neckline. All right, so we can see here if the price are rejected this level, so I do foresee the Aussie will have another kind of pulling back. Okay, so this is a kind of a triple top. Okay, triple top breaks the neckline, pulls back again. Right now it is at a structure. Okay, so I'm still going to short Aussie, and my stop loss will be just above the pain at the non-farm payroll, which is 0.7630. To be safe, you can put 730.47. Okay, 0.7647. That would be a safe place. Okay, so you can still short Aussie and aim for 0.75 and 0.7450. Okay, this is something for the Aussie. And for the Kiwi, Kiwi is more or less the same thing. They breaks a major support level and pulls back here, so you can short again. Okay, and don't forget that we still have a position here, short from 0.7670, and I'm just going to still carry on the Kiwi short because this is the trend line is confirmed broken. Okay, so I'll be short, keep the Kiwi short until this will be my target 1, this will be my target 2. Okay, this 2 level. Okay, so just keep short the Kiwi. The dollar CAD. Okay, right now you can see here it touched the upper edge of this channel. Okay, it looks like dollar CAD is having a reversal. Okay, so maybe the price will have a kind of drop to the lower edge of this channel. And look for the at the 4-hour charts. We see this broken structure. Okay, so this tells us that something is is bearish. Okay, the signal is bearish. Okay, so we want to focus on the short of the pullback. Okay, so right now you can see here it just break through this structure. Okay, so I will wait for the 618 retracement if I want to open the trade. So we measure from here, it would be 1.32767. That would be the ideal place to short, and then it's just into the same structure here in this gap. Okay, so wait for the price to pull back to 1.3276 and you short. Okay, for the oil, okay, oil, yeah, it's still going up. Okay, and we just mentioned that don't short oil until it reached for this butterfly completion point, which will be 51.77. Okay, so I will keep an eye here. Okay, keep an eye on here. We may have a very good chance to short the oil at this level. 51.77 to 53.17. This is really the structure that we can short. So do look for the price action. Okay, if we see a pin bar here, Okay, look for the price action. Okay, you want to see a bearish bar, bearish pin bar here. Okay. Okay, if we see something, some candle like this, it tells me, okay, yeah, the butterfly pattern works, and we can go into the small time frame to find the short position, short opportunities. All right. So this is for the oil, and the target will be the traditional target. Okay, this first target, second target, and you can have your balance position, yeah, all the way. Okay, this is what are my view in the oil. Okay, let's talk about the gold. Okay, we have a very nice move for the gold last week. Okay, the last time we short the gold is somewhere here, right? Yeah, we're using the 618 level, 1347.28. We short here. Okay, take some profit, pulls back, never touch the break even stop loss, so just continue falling down, and it has some kind of a support at this level. Yeah, the gold do have some support at this level. However, it's still a very one-way market. The market is so bearish, so any pullback, it is not a reversal, it's just a bouncing back. Okay, so ideally, the gold, if you miss the opportunity, you can still wait for the 1,300 level to short again. Okay, but I doubt it may not rally so high. Okay, so looking at the 1 hour charts. 1 hour charts, the gold is kind of a finish or short-term bearish trend. This bearish trend is finished. Okay, because it breaks up and stand above this trend line. So just have your eyes watched the level. Okay, if the gold pulls back to this area, I will feel that here 1293 will be a very this candle tells you, yeah, there's no buyers here, a lot of sellers, so pay attention to this level. If gold pulls back here, yeah, then we still want to short. Okay, lastly we go to the SPS 500. Okay, so right now the S&P, okay, last time we did a guardly short at the S&P. Okay, you can refer to my trading view ideas. Okay, it will be 2174, 2175, this level. So we short there. I think the first target already hit. Okay, right, and it almost hit the second target, but not yet. And right now the price is going up. Okay, so I think this is sideways market. Okay, so typically in a sideways market, what we can do is to identify some harmonic patterns. Okay, we have a support in the 2140. We have a resistance from 2175 to 2180, and right now you can see there's a lot of harmonic patterns here, right? So we have a better pattern. We have a bullish one. Okay, and right now I'm going to tell you guys, yeah, it will be completely another bearish one. It will be something like this. Okay, so for the S&P, just keep looking to short at the 215 to the 2171 to 2179. This level will be the potential short area for the S&P. Okay, so you can look for another kind of a down wave, and if luckily we break this 2141, it will goes to 2112. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this week. So any questions, guys? Any pairs you want to look at again? Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that think Michelle from Italy asked me to check for the I think for which kind of one stock. Oh yeah, BMPS. Yeah, BMPS. Let's look at here. Okay, for this BMPS, I don't know what kind of stock it says. Okay, Banca Monte di Passi di Siena. Okay, looks like it's a bank, right? It's a bank. Okay, let's go to the daily charts. Okay, daily charts. Okay, so daily chart is a very bearish move. Okay, the previous price. Oh, surprisingly, do you see a Gardy pattern complete here? Yeah, if you shot at 41, I think you're going to be rich, right? I just found that. Okay, so the market is very bearish, keeps breaking the low. Okay, breaking the low. It has a huge rally and complete another bad pattern. So it's a bad pattern, right? Yeah. Okay, so you can have another time to sell this stock. Okay, and it just keeps going moving down. Okay, so fundamentally, I don't know what happened to this bank, but it looks like the market is very desperate. So at this stage, there isn't any harmonic patterns here because this is so bearish that the price never take a bounce back because I'm thinking that the people are just scared. No money is in. There's no money flow in these stocks. Okay. Okay. There's no money or no new buyers comes in here, and you can see here today is just another gap down, and it looks like there are some buyers here, but it just breaks another low. Okay, so technically speaking, I don't have any reason to long this stock. Okay, and I may use there's one tool I may use this Fibonacci retracement tool. You can see the 1.618, the 0.25. Supposedly this one will have some support. Okay, indeed, the price comes in this level, bounce back, try another time, bounce back, and then the third time it just break through. Okay, so what I will suggest for you, Michelle, okay, if you really want to long the long this stock, okay, you have to wait for the price to become back to 0.25 again. Okay, if the price never comes back, you don't want to long. Okay, so you need to see a candle to goes above 0.25, pulls back, okay, and then you can start to buy. Okay, and you may have another kind of a bullish market, and the stop loss should be below the low. Okay, so right now you just watch the market. Don't do anything. Okay, because 0.25 will be a very key support. Only above this level, the people will think, yeah, this stock will have some chance. Otherwise, we just keep dropping. Okay, maybe some days the company will be delisted. Who knows? Okay, so for the stocks, okay, because forex market, there's if we trade the major pairs, it is unlikely that some currencies is become unless the country becomes bankrupt, right? But for individual stock, there are the risk of the company that the company may go to bankruptcy or what. So just be very careful. Okay, so also you need to check for the fundamental data, the money flows, how the profit is, the company still winning the money, still making money, are they in the debt, how's the credit rating, and everything. Okay, you need to check the background. So make sure the background is good, it's good company that you want to buy. Otherwise, you just look at it. You don't want to throw your money into it. Okay. No, you have Gardy, yes, true. S&P. I just do the drawing. Did you see that? Or maybe yours is different than mine. I mean, this is Gardy. I draw. Yeah, looks like 2171.4 to 2174.7. Okay, this may be a potential Gardy. Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. So that's all for today. Dollar Swiss is same for the euro. So if the euro goes down, the dollar Swiss will keeps going up. Okay, so dollar Swiss right now is in a bullish channel. Okay, it's still in a bullish channel. We don't have any reason to short it. Okay, and for the daily chart, yeah, you can see that the dollar Swiss looks like to break the long-term, bearish trend line. Okay, it's almost going to break. So if the break, it will continue to move higher. I'm thinking that dollar Swiss will reach the 1.0, the fair value, which is the 618, 0.9992. That is the level the dollar Swiss will move to. and we want to buy the low. Okay, if you measure from the 0.618, we just have very nice entry at this level, right? 0.9670. This will be a perfect entry for the long. Okay, goes back, goes up, okay, and breaks the long-term line. Yeah, it may just goes up to 1.1, 1.0, and 1.02 and 1.04. Okay, so I'm bullish on dollar Swiss, bearish on the euro. Okay, all right. So that's all for today. Thanks, guys. Okay, I see you next week. Yeah, I'm going to upload the video to the YouTube later on, so you can check in the YouTube.